Hi, welcome to the tutorial on how to calculate permutations and combinations using the Desmos application. You'll see here I'm on an iPad right now, and my Desmos application is over here on the right side. This is similar to what it will look like on your smartphone if you have downloaded it. If you're using a Chromebook or a computer, you're probably in a web browser and it may be set up more horizontally, but it will still work the same way. Let's get started. The first step after you've opened up the application is we want to find the digital keypad. You'll see in the app that I have open right now, there is no keypad, but if I go down to this input menu here and I put the cursor in there, the keypad will show up. So if yours is missing there, just make sure you click into the input bar and the keypad will show up. Now we're going to go in and choose the functions button there. It's FUNCS. When you click it, you'll see a table will come up here, and there are 4 different tabs at the top: Trig, Stats, Distributions, and Miscellaneous. We want to be in the Stats menu, so go ahead and click that. Then when you look in the first column, you will see the NCR at the bottom. That is for your combinations. And there will be an NPR in the middle column there. That would be for permutations. I'm going to use the combinations just for this example on how to type it in. So I'm going to press that button here. Okay, you'll see in the input bar, it now says NCR, and then there is a set of parentheses that is open. We are going to enter in 5C3. When you enter it in on the calculator here in the Desmos app, you are going to put in the N and the R inside the parentheses, and you're going to separate the values with a comma. Make sure you put them in the correct order. The N will always come first, the R will always come second. It looks kind of like an ordered pair. I'll press 5. The comma is on the same page there, and then you're going to go to 3. I'll close it, and you'll see it's already calculated the answer, but I'll still hit enter on there, and you'll see that it equals 10.